Setting up voicemail on your consumer cellular flip phone is a simple process done directly through your phone, no app required. First, ensure your phone is activated, then dial 86. If it's your first time, the system will prompt you to set up your mailbox. You'll need to choose a 4-digit password for security. Record your name and personal greeting. Finally, test the setup by calling your number from another phone and leaving a test voicemail. Retrieve it by dialing 86 again. If any problems arise, make sure you are in a Verizon coverage area. After initial setup, manage your voicemail by dialing *86. From here, you can change your greeting, reset your password, or listen to messages. If you forget your password, contact Consumer Cellular support for a reset. This may require account verification. Should you encounter issues, ensure you're in a Verizon coverage area and restart your phone. Also, the voicemail system stores messages for 30 days, holding up to 20 to 30 messages.